Before we move on to the next part of our Picasso face project, we need to talk a little bit about color schemes. There is one particular color scheme that we're going to be using for this project. So we're going to just talk about that one today. But I do want you guys just to know that there are 6 different main color schemes, and these are certain colors that work well together in a work of art for multiple different reasons. Today we're just going to focus on complementary colors. So complementary colors are opposite colors. So we've talked a lot about the color wheel this year. Complementary colors are colors that are directly across from each other on the color wheel. These are the main ones that we are going to be using for our project. So we have blue over here, and that is opposite of orange. So those are complementary colors. The 3 main complementary colors are blue and orange, red and green, and yellow and purple. So you can see all these that are directly across from each other. I want you guys to think about some places, maybe some restaurants you've been to, logos for different brands that you like, sports team. Think of where you've seen these colors before. Artists typically use these colors when they want to make their drawings stand out more, because these colors create a lot of contrast, meaning they're so different from each other. So it really helps it stand out. So I hope you have some things in mind, maybe a sports team, maybe a brand. Obviously for red and green, we know these colors from Christmas, but think of some places that you've seen these colors. Now, pause the video and discuss where you've seen these complementary colors before. So here are some brands that use complementary colors. We got the Lakers, we got my favorite soda, Fanta Orange, and Chili's. There's so many other restaurants, brands, sports teams, food products that use these complementary colors. Again, because they really stand out. They're super vibrant and it creates a lot of contrast. So we're able to see the design and it pops out at us. So continue to think of more places where you've seen complementary colors, and then we're going to start using them for this assignment.